Magandang hapon po. You are now by this time, you're very familiar with Laguna Lake or Laguna de Bay. This lake, with an area of more than 900 square kilometers, is basically seen here in green color with varying degrees of chlorophyll concentration. But in some time, it may appear as brown due to suspended sediments. So this is Laguna de Bay or Laguna de Lake, which is in the southwest of Metro Manila, surrounded by different provinces such as Cavite, Laguna, Rizal, Batangas, and Quezon. So it is connected to Manila Bay through the Pasig River. One of the many uses of Laguna Lake is aquaculture. In fact, this supplies 36% of the bangus and tilapia sold in Metro Manila's wet markets. You might have heard of the recent fish kills in Laguna Lake. The more nutrients and light you have, there will be algal blooms. This will eventually decay, die and decay. This will consume oxygen, resulting in low dissolved oxygen levels. The fishes also need oxygen, as we do, and if there's not enough, then fish kill happens. Laguna Lake also supplies water to Metro Manila and other parts of the provinces. As such, we are also need to protect Laguna Lake in order to preserve this very important supply. However, the excessive proliferation of the algae also affects this supply of water, which is basically abstracted by Manila and also Manila water by the tens to hundreds of millions of million liters per day. So excessive algae may result in fish kills, affects water quality supply from the Laguna Lake, and this we must also monitor the chlorophyll in terms of pigments and so on. Erosion sedimentation also is a problem in Laguna Lake. In this particular image, we see a different picture of Laguna Lake, with the brown areas heavily silted or heavily containing abundant or lots of sediment suspended in the water column. In fact, this is becoming a problem because Laguna Lake is becoming shallower with now an average depth of 2.5 meters only. There's a need to map and monitor turbidity as well as the suspended particulate matter, not only at different stations but also throughout the lake. So here we see different pictures or satellite images taken from May or from January 2018 to May 2019, showing the spatially and temporally varying lake water quality from brown to green or different greenness. Water quality in Laguna Lake, therefore, we can say is very highly dynamic. However, Laguna Lake Development Authority is monitoring water quality at the station at only 9 stations and every month only. Project Tanglao uses different satellite sensors, different platforms in order to complement these stations, the water quality, and supply estimates of water quality in all the areas of the lake. So how do we do this? Of course, with the different images from Landsat, Sentinel, Diwata, and other imagery, including drone, we combine this with field data we collect during the acquisition of the image, which is necessary for the calibration and validation of the various water quality approaches, models that we are developing, in order to produce layers such as turbidity, suspended particulate matter, chlorophyll, and other parameters, even to the level of determining the spectral class composition of this microalgae. I would like to show you next some of our products showing the chlorophyll A, suspended particulate matter distribution in Laguna Lake for different times of the year. So this is March 2018, May 2018, and the rest are actually following for September and October and also November. So we see here that the lake is very dynamic again in terms of water quality for chlorophyll and suspended particulate water. You might be wondering, is it possible to monitor water quality from space near real time? So here we see images taken by Himawari 8. It's a meteorological satellite, geostationary, taken every 10 minutes on May 25, 2019. And we can see that we can model or we can estimate the turbidity every 10 minutes. We can also apply this to different parts of the country, for example, to Manila Bay. Project Tanglao believes in an integrated approach for lake water management or lake management. So in the project, we are also analyzing the vegetation dynamics in the watershed. And also developing an application wherein you as citizen can participate, report illegal dumping of waste, report reclamation, report algal bloom, illegal fish pens. No? So this is particularly important for empowering our citizens in collaborating and working with this particular project. So in this multi-platform cross-sensor water quality monitoring project, we are actually inviting everyone to collaborate and to serve the community, the people, the nation. So you can reach us through our social media pages as well as through email. So tayo na at sama-sama nating tanglawan ang lawa ng ating buhay.